Good morning, friends. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to talk about some subtraction, which means to take away. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I want you guys to watch, and then you, maybe when we're done, can also do your little booklet if you're feeling it today. So this is my little subtraction booklet. And I'm going to use the bead stair to take away. If you need beads to take away, that's what I'm going to use. I know that we've done this in the classroom with other things, but the bead stair, I feel like the beads are what we all have. So this is the way we're going to do it today. Let's see here. I'm going to put you down here so you can see what I'm doing. I have my bead stair, which includes number 10, okay? Because we're going to need a 10 to take away. I'm going to do a second bead stair so that we can have other beads to take away. So count with me real quick. Where should I put it? I'll put it right here, right next to it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and oops, that's not 8, that's not 9, and 9. Okay, so I have 2 bead stairs, and I'm going to use these to take away. Okay, where's my counter? Okay, I'll use my pencil. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to do, let's see here. I want to do one with, I'm going to choose one right in the middle. I'm not going to go in order today because the ones in the middle, and actually let's start with 10, that makes the most sense. So I'm going to start with the page that says subtraction of 10, okay? So subtraction of 10. So we're going to start with 10 and we're going to take away from 10. That's the one that we're going to start with. I feel like this one makes the most sense to start with it. So I'm going to begin. And yeah, I have a pencil. Okay, so I have 10, okay? 10, and the first problem on my sheet here is 10 minus 9. 10, see it? 10 minus 9. We're gonna figure out what 10 minus 9 is. So I have 10, and I'm gonna put the 9 right underneath it. And we're gonna count, okay? Let's see here. I have 10, and we're gonna take away 9. So I put them right underneath each other so that I can count them together. And we'll see what we are left with at the end. So count with me here. 10 minus 9 is, we're gonna count to 9, okay? 1, 10 minus 9. Is that the right way to do that? 10. We're gonna count 9. Okay, we'll count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is left? I see, I don't know if you can see. 10 minus 9 is, what's left? Here we go, is 1. We have 1 left. So I'm gonna write 1. Ten minus 9 is 1. So when we have 10 and we take 9 away, we have 1 left. Let's do the next one. 8. Okay. We have 10, but we want to take 8 away. So let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? How many are left? And maybe we don't even need these beads stair. I think Frederick knows. Frederick, what's left?
2.
That's right. We have 2 left. We might not even need these bead stairs for this problem.
Yep. That was so.
Yeah, so we can just use the golden beads because we have 10 and we're taking 8 away, okay?
Next one equals 3.
You think so?
Of course it does. Since 8 equals 2 and 7 equals 3.
Oh, let's see if he's right. Okay, let's prove him to be right. So we have 10 here. We're going to take away 7. So let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is left? Oh, I see Victoria's giving me the numbers with her fingers. Put your fingers up if you know how many's left. Look at that. 3 is left. So I'm going to write 3 on my paper. Here we go. We have 10. We're going to take away 6. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many is left? How many are left? Can you put up how many fingers you think are left? Oh, I see. Oh, gosh, sorry, my hand's going off the screen. I see Frederick and Zion and Renuga and Maverick are showing me with their fingers, right? They're showing me 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Good. Perfect. Let's keep going. All right, we're going to do 10 minus 5. So we're going to take 5 away from 10. So we have 10. We're going to take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see here. How many are left? Oh, I see hands. I see hands. I see 5 fingers on all your hands. Look at that. 10 minus 5 is 5. I feel like you guys already know these. All right, let's keep going. We have 10. We're going to take away 4. All right, let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many are left? And if you got to count, that's okay too. Here we go. We have 5. Let's count how many are left. Let me see if I can do this with my left hand. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 is left. I see you guys with your fingers. You guys are doing great. All right, I have 10. I'm gonna take away, what are we at? 3. Okay, let's take away 3. Let's add 3, or let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I took 3 away, and how many is left? Let's count them, because I can't just see it from now. Now I have to see. Oh, I see Zion's giving me all 7 of his fingers. Let's see if he's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. All right, let's do 10 minus 2. Let's take 2 away. So I have my 10, and I'm gonna, maybe this is just right. 1, 2. Okay, I took 2 away. Now let's count how many is left. I have these. Let's count them. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. I like that you're telling me with your fingers what the answers are. 10 minus 2 is 8. Let's see, I wonder what 10 minus 1 is. If I have 10 and I take 1 away, show me with your fingers how many you have left. Oh, Malcolm's giving me all of his fingers. Not all of them, but 9 of them, I think. I can't see though. All right, I see 9 fingers. I see 9 fingers from all of you. That's right. 10 minus 1 is 9. You guys are good at this. Okay. So that's how we do our booklet. Maybe we'll do one more. I thought we were going to need all those beads, but that didn't make sense though. We were taking them away. So you see what we have here? And I wrote down all of my answers. And we're going to basically do that with all of these, okay? So let's go to a different page, because sometimes when we have more than 10, it gets a little more confusing. So let's do Let me see here. Let's do subtraction of something more than 5. Let's do 15. Okay. I'm going to do 15. You guys can watch, or you can join me with your pages. So we're going to start with 15 and we're going to take away, okay? That's where the other set of bead come in. So if you remember, 10, the way to make 15 would be 10, 5, okay? This is 15. And if you're not sure, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See that this is 15? That's 15. So my first problem says 15 take away 9. So we have to take 9 away from this 15. I'm going to start with the color ones over here. I'm going to take away 9 and see what is left. So let's count to 9 with me. Let's see if I can get you closer. Okay, so let's count to 9 together and let's see how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is left? Let's count them. Let's see what's left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 minus 9 is 6. You see how we did that? Let's do the next one. I'm going to stick my 15, right? This is still 15. 15, and we're going to take 8 away. Let's see what the answer is. So count with me. And we're going to count to 8 because we're going to take 8 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how many is left from my 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 minus 8. We took 8 away from 15 and it equals 7. Oops. Sorry, my fingers keep going off the screen. All right, let's do the next one. And we have 15 again. Remember, we're starting with 15. We're going to take 7 of them away. Count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do we have left? Let's see how many we have left. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. We have one more on here to do. We have 15. Can you not do that thing? We have 15. We're going to take away 6. All right, so let's count 6. Let's take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is left here? Let's count them to see how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 15, take away 6 is 9. And that is how we do subtraction with the bead stair. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing with all the rest of them. You're going to start with whatever number that you see on the problem sheet, and you're going to take some away and count what's left, okay? Does anybody raise your hand if you have a question about what we just worked on. Hold on, Malcolm. Malcolm, can you unmute yourself?
Unmute yourself, Malcolm.
What?
Yes.
Malcolm, do you have a question?
Yes, and I forgot now. I was raising my hand the whole time.
Will you tell me when you think of it?
I can't find my 15. I can only find 14, but no 15 in here.
That sounds like you're frustrated. Can we talk about this in maybe a couple minutes, just you and me? It's okay to feel
I
frustrated.
can't find it. I've looked at all my pages and none of them have 15.
sorry. Can I help you in just a minute? Let me answer any other questions we have, okay?
Okay.
Okay. It'll be okay. It'll be okay, okay? Okay, does anybody else have a question about what we just worked on? I see Frederick's hands raised. Frederick, do you have a question about what we just worked on?
That looks so easy.
I'm so happy that your brain just thinks that is so easy. That makes me happy. It's, you know, when we first do this stuff, it's not so easy, but when we work and practice all the time, like you've probably been doing in your classroom, makes it super easy. All right, Evan, you have a question? I think you have to unmute yourself, honey. What's your question?
I knew all of the answers of all of the page, so I just write them down on all of the page.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. These are good for you. I'm so happy that you enjoyed that. Lee, do you have a question?
What's the answer?
I can't see it from here, sweet pea. Can you maybe have your mama help you with
Yeah,
that?
I can help her after. Lost track.
Leah, I love that you're doing this work. All right, does anybody else have any questions or comments? All right. Well, Maverick. Oh, Maverick, I see him now. Maverick, what's your question?
I actually have a comment.
Okay.
All of them, I knew all of the tens.
Good. Good. The tens
The
are
one
some of the most
I
important ones for you to know.
I knew that the second one's gonna be the 7, and then 8, and then 9.
Do you notice a pattern on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're kind of in order, aren't they? Yeah, look at that. This is great work for you guys.
Then
Yeah.
right before you got to the 9 one.
Yeah,
1.
I believe that you already knew these. Yes? Did you finish? Okay, good. Alexander finished his booklet and he wanted to share with me and you guys that he finished his booklet. He was pretty proud of that.
Quick.
Is everybody feeling proud about their work that they're doing today? I'm feeling proud of all of us. You guys have been doing such amazingly hard work and working with your moms and dads, and this is wonderful. I know this is different, but this has been working out, I think, for all of us. All right, and that's the end of my lesson. I'm gonna stop it right here.